Hello everybody, this is Travel Life YouTube channel, and today we will speak about work and travel in Turkey. So you know this country is very big, and this is very easy to go there. And what about the job? You know, this is not so very difficult to find a job there, but this is another side of the job. I will tell you it later. Why it's easy to find a job there? Because in the summertime this country coming so many tourists, and if you speak few languages, if you are native English speaker or German people or Russian, so you can find a job. So you can find a job in a hotel, in some shop, and or as a photographer. Maybe other sides. I just tell you my experience. So I work in Turkey as a photographer, and I want to tell you some words about the work. You know, you have a boss, yes, and for a boss you are as slave. You know, you must every time be with the boss in a work. You cannot use your phone, you don't have a free time, so you're living with the boss, you go with him or with her to the working place, works 12 or more hours and comes back again and sleep, and so every time. So I just want to tell you, just you have to be as a slave, or work or not to work. Maybe you have another experience and just tell the people that, but I leave it. I try to work there 2 months. I cannot. I'm from Ukraine, but I cannot be a slave. Yes, true, if you have official job, if you work in a factory, so you can you have some rights and you can feel like a human. So I just like travel and find some job. That's why I tell you my experience. Anyway, this is very nice country if you come there as a tourist, but if you go there to find a part job, I don't think so. Okay, this is my experience, and tell me yours or other people, and we will make together our word more easy to understand and much easy to travel. Okay, it's a Travel Life channel, and see you. Görüşürüz. Okay, bye bye.